Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to streak on Snapchat. First of all, let me start off by explaining to you what streak means. A streak on Snapchat is when two people snap each other for 3 or more consecutive days on Snapchat. The more snaps are sent to each other, the longer the streak will become. For example, if you and your friend were to snap each other for 10 days, there will be a fire emoji with the number 10 beside it. The number indicates how many days your streak is. In order to start a streak, tap open the Snapchat application and sign into your account. In order to start the streak, you'll need to ask for it first. Otherwise, the contact won't know whether you want to start it or not. Here are some ways to ask someone for a streak. First, you can send a message asking for it. For example, let me go to the chat and tap open one of my contacts and type in, "Do you want to start a streak?" and send it to your contact. You can only send it to the contact you already are friends on Snapchat. Another way you can start a streak is to add a story with the text streaks. Click any picture you would like and type in streaks. Place it on your story wherever you want to do it, and once you are done, tap on send to or post it on your story. If anyone want to do streaks with you, then they can respond directly to your story. If they don't, there's no need for them to respond to it, as they can ignore your story. If someone agrees to find someone that wants to streak with you, then you'll need to send them a snap. Or you can also send them a video snap. Simply open Snapchat and tap on the camera icon and take a photo or video. And once you're done, tap on send to at the bottom right. Now, select the person that you want to send the snap to. Once you select the person, tap on the send button. When the snap is sent, you'll receive a delivered status in the conversation page. Now, all you need to do is wait for them to snap back to you, and with this you'll be able to start a streak with someone. Remember that you'll need to send each other a photo or video snap for 3 consecutive days. That is how you can start a streak on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.